Okay, if this has found you on November 20th, then this message is for you. I know in my heart that this synchronicity it's meant to find you today. So as I was in meditation, I was told that a lot of you guys are going through a hard time with understanding why something's happening the way it's happening. We've all been there, okay? But what Spirit wants you to know is that every single little thing that's happening to you is not actually happening to you, but it's happening for you. I'm going to tell you a fable that I heard, and I think that this really explains it beautifully. And it's about a farmer, and the farmer has a horse, and the horse runs away, and everyone says, "Oh my gosh, that's awful." And the farmer says, "Maybe." Well, the horse returns with 2 wild horses. So now the farmer has 3 horses. All the neighbors say, "Oh my gosh, that's amazing. That's wonderful." The farmer says, "Maybe." His son decides to ride one of the wild horses to tame it, and it bucks the son off, and he falls and he breaks his leg. All the neighbors say, "Oh my gosh, that's terrible." The farmer says, "Maybe." A little while later, the army bus comes driving down the road to pick up all the soldiers, but they're not picking up anyone that's been injured. All the neighbors say, "Wow, that's really lucky." The farmer says, "Maybe." But as you can see, all these things that happened, it was a domino effect. Maybe he wasn't supposed to go to the army. And so, the horse running away, that had to happen for all these other things to happen just so that synchronicity could happen. And that's what's happening in your life. That's what Spirit wants you to know. All these things that are happening, you might not understand it right now from your vantage point, but hindsight's always 2020. So from where you're at right now, there might need to be 4 other things that happen, but this thing has to happen in order for the 4 other things to happen to get you to where you're supposed to be. And it might look like it's horrible, but Spirit says nothing's ever actually happening to you. It's happening for you. This really is a gift. We know what we're doing. We are intelligent, okay? We're helping you through this life. We know what your goals are. We know what your soul wanted to accomplish before it came here. So yes, you have free will, but destiny, those are things that you planned that will happen. Your free will is how you decide to get to the destiny, okay? So I feel like that's what you needed to know. Let me know if it resonates, and I'll see you guys next time. Please make sure you're following the correct account, by the way. My TikTok has over 500,000 followers, Instagram 300,000 followers, YouTube 40,000 followers, Facebook 6,000 followers, and I never reach out. Okay? I'll see you guys next time.